Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I am super excited to announce our new bootcamp that is nothing but AI Security Bootcamp with guardrails, LLM gateways, observability, evals, and many more things. Now, what is the final goal of this specific bootcamp in our Udemy course? It is basically to build a secure LLM AI agents with guardrails, LLM gateways, evals, observability, cloud code, and deep agents. Okay. So this specific course has been requested by many people from past 3 to 4 months, and finally we have recorded this. Just to show you that how much content we have actually recorded, it is somewhere around 65.5 hours of on-demand video. So that many number of recordings, like you'll be able to see that so many number of recordings will be available over here. If you just go ahead and see that, we have covered at least 2 to 3 frameworks with respect to every module so that you get a proper hands-on understanding. And we have also put some amazing end-to-end projects implementation completely from scratch. Now, why this bootcamp will be important in order to make you understand, please let's go ahead and understand about the architecture of an agentic AI application. See, nowadays in any companies that you specifically go, the main thing is that how do you build an agentic AI application, not only in terms of coding, but how to make it enterprise ready, right? So here you'll be able to see that we have amazing things, and this is what a basic architecture looks like, right? So here you can see that, let's consider that this is my user channel. It can be a web app, it can be desktop app, it can be Slack, it can be anything, right? And this is your entire orchestration layer where your agent is specifically running, right? So this is your complete AI agent or agentic application. Then you basically have something called as action executor, where you have tool selection, action execution, response builder, output formatter, and stream runner, right? So here, when you see, this is how your agent is basically built over here. You may have sub agents. You will be probably giving that particular task to an agent. It will divide that task to sub agents, and it will actually help you to do the complete task itself. Internally, you may be using memories, right? So with respect to our module also, we will be showing you how to build this. Then we will show you how you can go ahead and integrate with multiple different kind of tools, from databases to APIs to different services that are available, right? Then within this particular AI agent, how do you go ahead and implement the entire memory layer, right? So we will be covering with respect to short-term memory, long-term memory, vector store, knowledge graph. So this, most of the topics have been already covered, and as we go ahead, we'll be updating the specific topics again and again, right? If new, more amazing module comes up, right? Then you have something called as guardrails. We'll show you that within your orchestration layer, how do we go ahead and integrate guardrails? And with respect to the guardrails, we'll show you how you go ahead and integrate both input and the output guardrails, right? So input guardrails are specifically for some of the reasons why do we actually use it. Then output guardrails is also very much important because what your AI agents or agentic AI application is giving as an output, that is also really important. And we really need to make that AI agent execute in a controlled environment. So we will be covering this specific thing also. Then we have something called as LLM gateway layer, right? Now this LLM gateways we are also going to implement, and we will be showing you how you can actually perform model routing, load balancing, failover and fallbacks, rate limiting, caching, optimization, model versioning, audit logging, policy information, and many more things. And we are also going to use multiple models. Anyhow, there are a lot of models which you can actually specifically use it, right? So both of them we will be integrating within our application. And here we are just not going to use just one or two frameworks. We will show you with multiple frameworks that are right now available in the market, which is in quite demand, right? So after we complete guardrails layer, LLM gateway layer, then we will go towards the next thing that is nothing but as called as observability and evaluation layer. Now, observability, our main focus will be to show you that how you can actually do logging, how you can actually do tracing, metrics and monitoring. And with respect to the evaluation, we will go ahead and evaluate each and everything from offline evals to quality metrics to human feedback, regression testing, and many more things, right? So then we also have dashboard and alerts. where we have real-time dashboards, alerts and notification, SLO, SLA monitoring, and many more things. So this basically is there in the evaluation layer. At the end of the day, our main aim is to basically evaluate how our AI agent is working, right? So we are going to probably complete this completely end to end. We'll also show you how you can integrate within your application. Then we are going to discuss about the infrastructure layer and the DevOps layer. And finally, we'll also be having human in the loop. We will also be taking some of the topics from the security and the governance layer, right? So where we'll be talking about secrets management, data encryptions, and many more things. So overall, this Udemy course will give you an idea that how you can go ahead and build a complete agentic AI application, which is enterprise grade, right? And that is what we have done. That 65.5 hours, right, with respect to this specific modules we have divided. So if you just go ahead and now see this, okay, you'll be able to see, I've covered LangChain, then we have shown you how to build AI agents with LangGraph, then there is observability, then we have observability with Langsmith, multiple frameworks we have covered like Pydantic Logfire. Then we went with towards guardrails. In guardrails, we have covered Nemo guardrails, AWS Bedrock guardrails, Guardrails AI. So three frameworks over here. Then we have LLM gateways. In the LLM gateways, we have covered Port Key gateways, Tensor Zero LLM gateway, Bifrost AI gateway. Again, three different frameworks. And again, here we will show you that how we can go ahead and integrate with our AI agent. Then we have Ragas. In Ragas, it is specifically for evaluation. Then we have Deep Eval. So two different frameworks for evaluation. Yes, if more popular libraries come, we'll keep on updating these modules. Okay. Then you have agentic memory. We will be showing you mem0 for agentic memory, langmem for agentic memory, red teaming with pirate, caching, right, rate limiting, all these topics we will be covering. And then we have some two amazing projects which will be of somewhere around 8 to 9 hours. So here you can see the complete project itself. One project is for 7 hours and the other project is somewhere for 4 hours, right? Then I will also show you how you can use Cloud Code and how you can build deep agents with LangChain. So this was all about this entire syllabus. Again, as we go ahead, more new frameworks, popular library comes up, we will keep on updating them. What will be the price of the course, guys? I just have one coupon to share with you. You can take this particular course on 399 rupees. You just need to go ahead and apply the coupon July 399. July 399 when you say. So this is one of the coupon that I have got. Udemy is not giving more coupons itself. Okay. So that's the reason I'm trying to share it with you, right? So just go ahead and utilize this. I hope you like this particular video. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye-bye.